What? Wait, come on. The frat boy got bit by a zombie or what? Hey, behind you, wait, what the
Fucking took the wrong like that, all sweet.
Kamla, what the fuck is that, we?
Yeah, I'm fucking good, bro.
What do you mean?
I'm ready to dip.